So now this code is a function that we could conceivably call from within the A8, right? So we do this first function takes in a string, it returns a list of emails found. So this algorithm can include this code because what I want to do here is I want to take strtext1, I'm going to split it, I'm going to go through it word by word and save the ones that have an @ sign. Now that I have that, I can take each one of those things that I found with the @ sign and feed them one at a time to that clean email function, and it'll give me a clean list of emails, right? So it's all about taking each problem and breaking it down, breaking it down, breaking it down until it's something that you can solve with code. And then you figure out how to put it back together in a meaningful way. So hopefully that's helpful to you as you approach this problem. Now, I'm not going to give you solutions yet. I really want you to try and apply this problem solving steps to assignment 8. It's challenging. I know it's a bit of a brain bender, but that's a good thing because as you learn to think this way, you'll be able to solve more and more complex problems. It's sort of like working out muscles that you didn't know you had, right? Anybody try a new exercise, like try Zumba for the first time or something? You will find out that you had muscles where you didn't think you had muscles. How will you find out? Because they hurt a little bit. So it's not a bad thing. I don't want you to hurt too much. I don't want you to strain a muscle in your brain, but let's give it a little exercise and see what we can do. And then, maybe next week or the week after, we'll come back and explore some possible solutions for the whole thing and how that might look. So take the time. You got about 40 minutes to work on this and dig in and see what you can do.